Welcome to our guide on safety in Vietnam, a comprehensive overview of emergency response and medical care for travelers. We will begin with critical first steps, focusing on the immediate actions you should take following an accident. The key emergency contacts are 113 for police, 114 for fire, and 115 for ambulance. If you don't speak Vietnamese, use Google Translate or ask a local for help. In scene management, prioritize safety by moving to a safe location. Document evidence, gather information from all parties involved, and identify witnesses for official reports. Next, let's look at the medical infrastructure and how to navigate health stations and hospitals in Vietnam. Select the right facility. Local health stations are for minor injuries, while general hospitals are essential for serious injuries like broken bones or head trauma. When choosing between public and private hospitals, note that private hospitals generally have higher English proficiency and less crowding, but are significantly more expensive. The next section addresses insurance and legal aspects, focusing on safeguarding your health and finances. For a successful insurance claim, keep all original critical documents, medical reports with English translations, itemized receipts, prescriptions, and the police report for traffic or crime claims. The insurance claim process involves 4 steps. Notify your provider, request direct billing if applicable, keep all originals, and submit your claim and police report. To stay safe and informed, remember the emergency numbers, Police 113 and Medical 115. Contact local authorities or your embassy if you have questions.